take it a little farther than my target. We'll use that. All right, I was hoping to fly this wing right here, the large 1200 millimeter wing, but of course I forgot the battery adapter again, so I can't fly that today. I will fly this pusher jet next, and the acrobatic plane. We'll give that a maiden shot. All right, same deal. No elevator on launch. Then I'm going to keep it like 75%, 80 max, maybe 90. Try not to pass this light here. You know, trying to keep it within 100 yards maybe. We'll see. The wind caught it. Let's do a 50% run. Yeah, it's definitely just too many amps. So let's do a full throttle. No issues there. Watch out for the light pole. Rolling right. Very twitchy in this wind. Not optimal. Okay, 60%. Let's do another flyby. Some right trim. I need a little bit of elevator. Let's put some elevator. Trim it up a little bit. Let's really find that wind. Come back around. Throttle pass towards us, a little closer into the wind. That was a messy launch. Oh, there it goes, just cut out. Let it go easy for a bit. Trimming it out. Above me. Lost it. Give it a glide. It's all glide right there. It's got a little bit of an alpha glide. Easy landing. It's my landing speed right there. Just glide right in. Go a little bit out this way and come back in. This wind is just thrashy. a loop. I think that battery's dying. Let's bring it in. Yep, that battery's out.